In this video, I'll show you how to run exe files on Chromebook. Since Chromebooks run on Chrome OS, they don't support Windows application natively. However, we can use Wine, an open source compatibility app, to install and run exe files. Let's get started. Step 1 is to enable the Linux environment. Open Settings on your Chromebook. Scroll down and then click on Advanced Developer Settings for Linux Development Environment and turn it on. Allocate at least 50 GB of storage for Linux to ensure smooth operations. Click Install and wait for the setup to complete about 5 to 10 minutes. Step 2 is to install Wine on your Chromebook. Once Linux is enabled, open Terminal and enter the following commands on one by one. Enable 32-bit support for Wine. Download and add Wine repository key, and then add Wine repository to your system. Update package list, and then install Wine. Configure Wine. This will install additionally necessary packages. Step 3 is to run exe files on your Chromebook. Move your exe file to the Linux files folder. Right-click on the exe file and then select Open with Wine Windows Program Loader. Follow the installation process just like you would on Windows. Example, installing VLC Player. Download VLC exe file and place it in the Linux files folder. Right-click onto the Choose Open Wine Windows Program Loader and then follow the installation steps. To launch VLC, navigate to its installation folder and then open the exe file using Wine. Final tips and limitations. Wine works best with lightweight Windows application. Some advanced programs may not run properly due to the compatibility issues. For better Windows app support, consider using Chrome Remote Desktop or virtual machines. I really hope this helped. If it did, please like and subscribe and I'll see you into the next one. Thank you for watching.